In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deactivate your Instagram account, so you can temporarily disable your profile without permanently deleting anything. First, open Instagram and make sure you're logged into the account you want to deactivate. This is important because the changes you make will only apply to the account that's currently signed in. Next, go to your profile. You can do this by tapping the profile icon at the bottom right of the screen. Once you're on your profile page, look for the three horizontal lines at the top right corner. Tap on those to open the main menu. From this menu, tap on Settings and Privacy. This is where Instagram keeps most of the controls related to your account, security, and preferences. Take a moment to confirm you're still on the correct account, especially if you manage multiple profiles. Inside Settings and Privacy, scroll down until you find the section labeled Account Center. Tap on it. Instagram uses Account Center to manage profiles, account settings, and connections across Meta apps. So this is where you'll find the deactivation options. Once you're in Account Center, look for the option called Personal Details or Account Settings, depending on your version of the app. Then, go to Account Ownership and Control. This section lets you manage what happens to your account, including deactivation. In Account Ownership and Control, tap on Deactivation or Deletion. Instagram will show you a list of accounts linked to your profile. Select the account you want to deactivate. Be sure you choose the correct one, especially if more than one user is listed. Now, choose Deactivate Account instead of Delete Account. Deactivating is temporary, which means your profile, photos, comments, and likes will be hidden, but not erased. Instagram may ask you to select a reason for deactivating. Pick the option that best matches your situation. You might also be prompted to re-enter your password for security purposes. After that, confirm your choice. Review the summary screen carefully so you understand what will happen. Once you tap to confirm, your Instagram account will be deactivated, and other people will no longer see your profile until you reactivate it. If you ever want to come back, simply log in again with your username and password, and Instagram will automatically reactivate your account. That's all you need to temporarily disable your Instagram account while keeping your data safe.